Hi, and in this video I am going to show you how to add music to your Instagram story. Adding music to your Instagram story is a great way to make it more engaging. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and liking the video. So first you have to open Instagram. The processes are similar to iPhone, Android also. So I use Android emulator for your easy understanding. So follow my mouse pointer. Just open Instagram. Then you can see your story icon is here with your profile icon. Just tap on it. Then it will open your camera. You can create a story using your camera right now, or you can just select the story from your device. Now I am going to open my camera for creating new story. Just tap on camera icon. Alright, now just tap on the story creation. Now it is creating. Alright, now I created my story. So now I need to add music to my story. To do that, you can see there's a icon for stickers. Just tap on it. Then there are various stickers here. There's an option called music is here. Just tap on it. Then it will ask you to search the music for your story. There are a lot of music is here, and also you can search the music for your story. Now for this tutorial I am going to select this one. Just tap on it. Okay, now it is added to my story. Now just tap on done here. Okay, now there's a arrow icon is here. Just tap on it, and it will ask you to share with which ones. So it is currently set as your story, and you can choose it to close friends, or you can just send it as a message. Now I am going to set it as my story. Just tap on it and tap on share. Okay, it is now sharing. Alright, just tap on not now and tap on done. And also you can just tap on no thanks, and also you can send that into Facebook story also. To do that, just tap on share here. I don't need to do that right now, so just tap on done. Now you can see that the story is appearing in my story section. So this is how you can add music to your Instagram story. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in the video. Thank you.